So this is the Galaxy A40 review. This is Samsung's budget smartphone at £220. Granted, it is at maybe the top of the threshold for budget smartphones, but for me it's just within that bracket. Powered by the Exynos 7885 octa-core processor, running Android 9 with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, with a Mali G71 GPU. One of the standout features is the 5.9-inch Infinity U display, and it is a Super AMOLED display, and I really like it. The colours are great, it's very, very sharp, and a budget phone with a screen like that is very good. So for my hands, this phone is a relatively small device. So I've got huge hands and this device is relatively small, so it is a little bit awkward and a bit cumbersome at times when I'm using the device. I think performance-wise, it performs really well with general navigation through the phone and opening apps. I've also done a review on gaming on this phone, PUBG and Asphalt Extreme Rally, which you can see up in the card there. And around medium settings, runs absolutely fine, and you can check that out. So the A40 comes with face recognition, which you can see there. That's detecting face, and it works well. I believe it works faster than the fingerprint sensor, in my honest opinion. Fingerprint sensor is a little bit slower, but while I've been using it, I've just been using the fingerprint sensor really. More secure as well. And as soon as you get your hand in your pocket to pull it out, my finger's on the sensor already to unlock it. But both of the technologies work fine on the A40. Although it's a budget device, build quality is really good. Yes, it has a plastic back. Some people might not like the plastic back because it does feel cheap at times, but I believe the plastic back is hard wearing. There's no marks or scratches on there at all, and there's a slight sort of little rainbow effect in there. You can see the colour in there. There's a slight shimmer, so in certain lights you get a nice reflection of different coloured lights, a rainbow shimmer. It does have a metal frame, so it does feel solid, and accompanied by that screen as well. It does feel like a premium device. So for £220 you are getting a very good camera as well, with a 16 megapixel sensor accompanied by a 5 megapixel ultra wide camera. So here we have a normal shot with the normal 16 megapixel sensor, and the ultra wide, it captures a lot more area. I like the live focus on here. This works really well, and I've captured some really, really great shots. Sharp, fantastic bokeh effect, both on the rear and the front facing camera. You do get some excellent shots. In video mode you can shoot both wide angled lens or normal. Here are some video clips. Wow, what was that? Oh. This is using the normal lens on the A40. Oh, beautiful day. It's got a pretty decent camera. What is that thing? Spider. Now we have a much wider angle of view. Do like that. Really, really like that. Gorgeous. That's great as well, blocking out the sun slightly. Clouds are visible. The video on the Galaxy A40 is brilliant, isn't it? Ah. Yeah, it's great for, it's definitely the high-end budget, but it is for me a budget device, the higher end of the price. Front facing camera is 25 megapixels, which is quite impressive. Again, like the live focus pictures, quality is very good. Lower light, then the pictures do become a little bit smoother and less sharp. The camera does have scene optimizer as well, which you can turn on and off, and it does automatically detect if you're maybe taking pictures of food or text as well. So it's quite a full featured camera, which is very good for £220. So I'm going to come on to probably the most disappointing part about the phone, and that is the battery life and the website being charged with real staying power. That's not the case really, well, since I've been using it anyway. It says you'll be able to go all day streaming movies and making calls. When you're in low power, the 15-watt fast charging will get you quickly powered up. Now the fast charging is great. That does work. It's really, really fast. It's 3,100 milliamp battery, and screen on time was 4 to 5 hours. There you go, that was my best day. I had 5 hours and 70 minutes of screen on time. Most of the use was WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Outlook. That is my only criticism of this Galaxy A40. I never found any problems with GPS either. Never getting to and from work using Google Maps. GPS target is quick and accurate. So we have one loudspeaker there at the bottom. Just the one grill. Turn it up. That's full volume. That's me covering it. Little ravey tune. That is very good. I can tell you the Galaxy A40 is a solid loudspeaker with a good mix of all frequencies. It's not too tinny or too bassy. It is a standard solid loudspeaker. So that pretty much concludes my review on the Galaxy A40, a tremendous budget smartphone from Samsung. I do recommend it to anyone and everyone. The only thing that lets it down is battery performance. A phone for £220, it has pretty much everything. Also has NFC as well in the mix. NFC. So yeah, highly recommend. Fast charging, NFC, Super AMOLED display, very good front and rear cameras. But yeah, that's it guys. You can pick it up from Amazon UK in the links down below, or anywhere you want to buy it. Any questions, please comment below. I'll answer them as best as I can. But until the next video, I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.